Trying to go to Cal, but I said to you, 17, bro. I'm graduating in 2026, same time I graduated. So you're in high. You're in high school. Is that a week? No. I think. I'm from California.
And they're running on their ID and this stuff.
No one really has to.
And there are so many things.
Yeah, they got their own YouTube going, bro. I'm doing residential right now. It's not like residential, like residential.
Yeah, I did.
Uh,